Welcome, welcome. We are going to do 89 and 90 to finish out this set of 10. So let's take a look. I remember a question like this, so I told everybody. This is a 5-number summary or box plot. We got min, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and max. We also call quarter 2 the median or the middle, M-E-D. So when I take a look, I write out my 5-number summary because they always ask me different questions about these 5 numbers. So the first question says, or the question says, which one cannot be justified? That means 4 are good, 1 is bad. Let's find the bad one. So the first one says the ranges are equal. So the range of 1 is just the max minus the min. And the range of 2 is still the max minus the min. And notice visually they have the same range. Next question, it says the interquartile range are equal. So let's do a little math. Interquartile range is quarter 3 minus quarter 1. So quarter 3 of data set 1 is 45 minus, and quarter 1 is 30. So that's 15. And when I do the same thing to the second set of data, I have 50 minus 35, which interestingly enough is also 15. So the point of a box plot is actually be able to see this visually without having to do math. So the width of the box is the interquartile, and the width of the box, those widths are the same, so you know B is correct. C, the median of 1 is less than the median of 2. We can also see that. That's why we love box plots. The median of 1, yes, is less than the median of 2. We agree because the median of 1 is 35 and the number 35 is less than the number 45. Next one. One data set has the same number? No, box plots. This literally could be 5 million people and this could be 500 people. This could be 5 million people. This could be 500 people. We do not know. We never know that in a box plot. We only know we had at least 5 numbers. Okay? The 5 numbers, there could be 5 million numbers. We have no. Or 3 million. We have no idea. So this is definitely the no-no, but let's go ahead and look at E. About 75% of the values of one are greater than or equal to about 50% of the other. So that may have stumped some people, so let's talk about that. 75% of the data of 1. So that's here, of 2. 75. So the upper 75% of the data, so this would be from quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the upper 75% is greater than the lower 50%. It does in fact appear that the upper 75% are greater than the lower 50%. And again, 50% of the data is anywhere in here because this has been split into corners. So any 2 chunks is 50% of the data. Let's do it. 90. Looking at this question, we're asked what kind of a sample? Cluster or lumpy? Convenient. Hey, I'm just going to grab the first 3 people I see. Simple, random. Every single person had an equal chance of being chosen. Stratified. Would take some freshmen, some sophomores, some juniors, some seniors, or some colonels, some captains, some enlisted guys, and we want to sample each person. That's what stratified is. And it sounds like freshman, sophomore, junior, senior. That's exactly what they sampled. So that's why we picked it. If you picked this, what's that? That is like every 10th person, and that's not what we did there. So definitely that's our sample. Thanks for joining. See you next time.